inventory. And the first thing that you must notice is that inventory is an asset. Yes, it is an asset. What type of asset? It is a current asset. Okay, let's leave that. So when we're talking about inventory, according to IAS2, how did it define it? So I don't want to use the usual definition. I want to break this down as easy as it can be, like I promised, and so that you can understand it. Imagine that we are running a company, and the company that we are running is Apple. And what does Apple produce? We produce iPhones, right? So Apple is selling iPhones. This iPhone is what we sell in our normal business activity, right? So iPhone becomes our normal products that we sell. So to Apple, iPhone is the inventory. I take it again. To Apple, iPhone is in the what? The inventory. But this iPhone can exist in three different forms. The first form is that it is already finished, right? We've produced it, it is already done. So we can have a finished goods. That is what an iPhone. Some people call it, if I'm the take for example, if I'm the producer, I'll call it finished goods. If I am the person that is holding it to sell, take for example, I'm a retailer, I'll call it stock in trade. So that is for iPhone. The second way an inventory can exist is if it is still a work in progress, right? A work in progress. We can also call it an inventory. That means work in progress means that we are not yet done with it. We've done some parts, but it is still in progress, so we are not yet done with it. Or if it is still in its raw form, like we just have the materials that we have that we want to use to produce the iPhone. So basically this is the essential definition of inventory. So if you have your IS2 with you and you look through what is there, you see that it says inventory, number one, assets that are held for sale in the normal course of business, which is like your finished goods, the asset that you hold for sales, or assets in the process of production. It's still in the process of production, which is not yet done, or asset in the form of material or supply to be used in the process of production, which is raw material. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to break it down so that it's as simple as possible. So it is as simple as possible. How do